Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tiffany and I upload a new homemaking video every Sunday. I know that like 5 o'clock somewhere and everything like that, but we cannot all just become raging alcoholics. So, the world is a lot different than the last time I saw you guys, and I wasn't really sure how to move forward with my channel today, but I went ahead and decided to go ahead and send you all a cocktail recipe today. For all of you parents out there, you made it through your first week being home with your kids. Healthcare professionals, if you are working 100 million hours a week, this is for you when you finally get a break. This is for anyone who is over 21 and ready for a cocktail today. We made it through the first week, and I think that's something to celebrate. And hopefully we don't have too many more weeks of this before we can get back to business and our regular lives. Come along with me and I'll show you what I have in mind. Now, I'm not sure what the legal name of this cocktail is, but it is delicious, especially when it starts to get warm outside and you want something a little bit more refreshing to have in the evening. It is a gin cocktail, the way I make it, but I know that it also works perfectly with vodka as well. So whatever your poison is, you pick. Now we use club soda, mint, cucumber, lime, honey, and your choice of spirit here. And we are just going to throw these ingredients together until they taste delicious. I'll show you how I do it. I got a couple glasses out because my husband's home. He's working from home today, and we are going to have ourselves a little happy hour around 4 o'clock. He got most of his work done earlier. I got most of my work done earlier, and I'm ready to take a load off, honestly. Not that I've been working super hard, but I just feel like this past week has been nothing but uncertainty and stress. So we're gonna have a drink and we're gonna enjoy ourselves here. I am going to start by cutting up a lime. No wrong way to do it, but this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make 2 lime wedges here. And I think 2 decent sized wedges, 1 for each drink, is good. Now I'm just gonna make 1. I'm gonna make 2 at a time actually. I'm gonna be efficient with this. Woo! So you wanna squeeze 1 in. Just a good squeeze of lime. Not a crazy amount because you don't want this to be like the defining thing. You just want it to add just a little fresh something or other to this cocktail. Then I am going to put 2 cucumber slices in each glass. And then I am going to get some mint out. I'm going to put about 6 mint leaves in each drink. Woo! This is for you, Missy. She asked me why I did this to the mint. It's called spanking the mint, which is kind of fun. But you do that to open up the veins in the oil to release the flavor. We have our lime. We have our, yes, perfect. And then I'm going to put just a little drop of club soda in each one. Raw honey to taste. This keeps your teeth from feeling like they have fur on them. You can use simple syrup, but honestly, I don't like the way that makes my teeth feel, so I'm not going to use that. You are welcome to. It's really easy to make. All you have to do to make simple syrup is boil a cup of water with a cup of sugar, basically, and boil it and let it cool. So if you'd like to make some of that for yourself at home while you're stuck at home, that's how you do it. And you can do all kinds of flavors and have fun with that too. You are your own bartender now for the next couple of weeks, so I might do several little how to bartend videos just to kind of keep y'all from losing your minds. All right, it is time for some ice, my friends. Just fill your glass with ice. Once you have your ice, do a little 2-ounce pour of gin into your cocktail. Then top your mason jar with some club soda. Or sparkling water. This is sparkling mineral water, so you can do either one. Cheers! Here's these. We are almost ready. It is time for happy hour here in the O'Brien household. Hopefully it is time for happy hour at your house as well. Oh my gosh, it's probably Sunday morning. Wait, I know that like 5 o'clock somewhere and everything like that, but we cannot all just become raging alcoholics locked away in our houses. Like, that's not going to work. So definitely try to hold off until a socially acceptable hour. Honey, from our house to yours, happy quarantine. Enjoy a cocktail, and we'll catch it in the next video.
Stay
Bye.
safe and healthy.
You gotta make this. Do this one. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try this cocktail and you love it as much as I do. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my homemaking content. And I will see you next week. Bye.